Hello folks, Waz here at B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a 22 plate Citroën Relay Camper. It's really nice. Had the factory Citroën sat nav, which was pretty useless really, small little screen, you have to squint to watch it. No Apple CarPlay. We've upgraded this and let's show you what we've done. Okay, we have just fitted the new KENWOOD DMX9724 XDS into this vehicle. Absolutely stunning. Now, as a camper, as you guys can see, this now has full pitch and roll when you're going up and down mountains and so forth on your holidays. You've got a compass, you can come back out. You've got your rear camera to be able to monitor at all times. You can add another 3 cameras, or you could have a nice clock or a compass. Press that, you can actually change the layout of the clock, so that's quite nice as well. And then you've got your general DAB, Android and Apple. Steering wheel controls all working. These vehicles suffer with mileometer and flashing, which is not now, and we can change the time and clock in the settings, which on some kits you can't do. So no, here we go, back in. So you've got HDMI, wireless mirroring, you got your reverse cam that's available to you at any time, and then you've got your Apple CarPlay and all the apps that you would expect. Okay, now this will come with a 3-year warranty, providing it's fitted by an independent dealer. We're B&B Audio Concepts based in Cardiff, and if you were interested in something like this, we have them on demo. Please pop in and have a chat with us. Thank you for watching the video.